Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade naan on tawa. Naan is a soft pillow style flatbread traditionally made in a tandoor oven. Let's see how we are going to do this. For this recipe we needed 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients together first. Add half cup of yogurt, olive oil 2 teaspoon, lukewarm water quarter cup or as needed to make the dough. Give it a mix with the wooden spoon. You can use your hand or stand mixer if you have. Here and now I am showing you how to do with the hand. You have to mix it thoroughly. You can add more water as needed to make the dough soft but not sticky. Knead until you get a soft dough. It might take a couple of minutes. Apply little oil to the dough and cover and let it sit for at least 3 to 4 hours in a warm place. After 3 hours of resting, knead the dough very well and then divide the dough into 8 equal portions. Make a ball, cover and let it sit for at least 5 minutes before you roll out. You can sprinkle some flour on the working surface and roll out the naan, little less than quarter inch thick. You can make any kind of shape you like, oval or round, that's your choice. Now I'm going to sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top. This is optional. You can do this after making the naan. Now here I did before making the naan on the stove. So now press it with the rolling pin. You can sprinkle a little water lightly on one side of the naan. Heat a cast iron skillet on medium heat. To check the readiness, you can sprinkle a few drops of water. The water will sizzle. Now put the water set naan over the skillet. Once the naan starts bubbling and dough starts drying, you can turn the skillet over flames. Now you can turn the skillet over flames, keeping about 2 inches away from the flames to cook the naan from top. Once the naan becomes brown, remove the naan from the skillet. You can apply some butter on top now. Place in a casserole and cover with a cloth to keep warm until serving. Homemade naan on tawa is ready to serve now. It's very easy to make at home. Everyone must try this and look at this, how well cooked. It's very soft and pillowy style flatbread. So now naan is ready to serve with your favorite curry. Please try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon. Bye. Take care.